Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn, in this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, okay, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Capricorn. The Tower, okay, we have the Hermit, Eight of Swords, the High Priestess, Ten of Cups, and Page of Cups. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. Okay. So we have Strength card, and future potential of this reading is the Lovers. So these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy between you and your person, and this is the future potential. Okay, so let's see what your partner is thinking about you. Okay, so your partner feels about you, Capricorn, that with this Tower card you have been through some big transformation into your life. Okay, something big has happened with you in past. Okay, or maybe you are going through some tough time in your life. Okay, that's why that that change has made you very fearful. Okay, you are being very fearful. You are just attached to your fears. You are not taking any action towards your freedom with this Eight of Swords card. Okay, so something has happened for you in past. Okay, something has happened with you in past, and whatever the thing had happened with you in past, this is just for your sake of goodness. Okay, I mean, this is just for you. Okay, this is going to benefit you. This is going to give you benefit at the end of the day. So the whatever changes you have been through in your life in past, or maybe you are going through some kind of a changes in your life right now as well, just remember one thing, that changes are always good. Okay, but you are being very fearful about certain things. Okay, you are still attached to your comfort zone. You are still attached to your own negative emotions. You are not letting these emotions go from your life. You are not willing to move out from that negative aura, negative energy, toxic energy. Okay, that's why you have just closed your eyes and you have just closed your hands. You are just sitting, I mean, you are just standing still here with these swords. Okay, and you're not taking any actions. And I feel that once you'll be out from that energy, you are going to achieve something new and something big in your relationship, in your life, in your career, in your goal, in your job. So you are being very fearful. You are into your comfort zone. Okay, okay, Capricorn. So that's how your person is seeing you. That's how your person is feeling for you. Okay, so they feel you that you are being into your own comfort zone, and they genuinely wants you to take certain actions to move out from this negative energy. Okay, it's you it's you who is standing still in this card as well. Okay, you want to start something new. You want to forward, you want to move forward in your life, but you are not getting any path. You feel that there is no path for you. You feel that you are standing in a dark room. Okay, and you feel that there is no one who can help you out in this situation. But the thing is that only you can help yourself. Nobody can do it for you. Okay, so just believe in God and just take a leap of faith and start something new. Okay, that thing will definitely give you some directions in life. Okay, and for some of you, I feel that you are being observant. You are analyzing your partner's behavior, because I feel that for some of you, I feel that you have just broken up with your you are just out from your bad relationship or something like that. Okay, that's why you are being very fearful, that you do not want to take certain action or take some action towards love and relationship thing. You are being very fearful. Okay, you have started judging people, that they are going to judge you, that they are going to blame you for something, and they are going to um, you know they are going to disrespect you for your certain action towards your past bad abusive relationship. That's why you are being very silent now. Okay, you are not doing anything, and this card is also saying the same thing, that you are being very silent. Maybe you are observing your partner's behavior, maybe you are observing your partner's uh, attitude towards you. Okay, you just want to see what they are thinking about you, you just want to see what they are saying about you, you just want to see what they are think, what they feel about you. Okay, only then I feel that you will take certain action towards that person. Okay, that's how your partner is feeling about you, that's how your partner's energy is about you. Okay, now let's see what you feel about your partner. So we have High Priestess, Ten of Cups, and Page of Cups. Okay, so Capricorn, you feel with this the High Priestess card that your person is not telling you certain things. Okay, they are not opening it up in front of you, they are being very silent towards you, they are being very secretive towards you, they are not letting you in into their life, into their emotion, into their heart. They have kind of closed their hearts for you. That's how you feel about your partner. Okay, or for some of you it could also happen that your partner is trying to, or your partner wants to offer you something in this relationship. Okay, because we have Page of Cups, so they definitely wants to offer you something in this relationship, but they are being very silent towards right now, because you are also very silent, you are not taking any action to be out from this Eight of Swords energy and the Hermit energy. That's why they are also being very silent towards you, they are not taking any action towards you. They want to offer you this Page of Cups, they are waiting for you to out from that negative energy. Okay, and once you will be out, they are definitely going to offer you this Page of Cups, but till then they are being very silent, they are going to be very secretive towards you. Okay, they are not telling you their plans, their future plans basically, because I feel that they really want to have a good life with you, they really want to spend their life with you. Okay, they really see a good companion in you, good person in you. Okay, good spouse in you, and you could be the best parent for their kids. Okay, you can make their world happy. Okay, you can make their home, you can build their home, make you can make a fantastic family with them. So that's why they are being very silent right now for you. Okay, they want to offer you this Page of Cups, but they are being very silent just because of you, because you are not doing anything to move out from that energies, that Eight of Swords energy and the Hermit energies. So once you will be out from these energies, then definitely they are going to break their silence, they are going to break the ice, they are definitely going to propose you, they are definitely going to offer you something in this relationship. Okay, so that's how you feel about your person. Okay, okay, so the mutual energy between you and your partner is Strength. I feel it's your partner who is being very supportive. Okay, who's being very, although they are silent on some topics. Okay, they are not revealing their plans. Okay, but still I feel that they are with you in your thick and thin times, they are with you in your bad and good phases of life. Okay, with this Strength card, okay, they know how to handle you right now, because you are being very negative towards life. Okay, so they know how to handle you, they know how to deal with you, they know how to